If you're a skinny guy and you're trying to build muscle at home with no equipment, no gym, no problem, right? That's my motto. Today I'm gonna give you a full body workout that hits your chest, shoulders, legs, back, and core, okay? Follow along or save this video for later, okay? Because you will need it and you're gonna thank me later, all right? You're tired of spinning the wheel, just trying different things and it's not working, and you want me to coach you personally for free for the next 30 days. Yeah, 100% free. So if you're interested, the link is in the description. It'll say something like, I'll get you jacked. All you gotta do is just click it and do the next step. And after that, I'll be reaching out me personally and we'll go on from there. I'll help you build muscle fast without a gym, all from home right here. Literally your bedroom, okay? Before we start, we're gonna need to do a quick warm up to protect our joints and be able to actually crush this workout. So yeah, let's get into it, come on. All right, so first we're gonna do arm circles for 20 seconds like we always do, all right? Come on, I got my phone right here. I'm gonna set a time for 20 seconds. 20 seconds starts now, yeah. And you can also go like this. Really keep your arms straight, don't bend them, keep them straight. That's good. So after that, we're gonna go into doing air squats for our second warm up, and that's again for 20 seconds, okay? All right, so 20 seconds starts now. Regulate your breathing, don't take it too hard. It's just warm up, okay? Just warm up, this is not the real game. Take it slow. Good, good. After that, we're gonna do shoulder taps for 20 seconds, all right? So let's go. Get down right here, and you just tap your shoulders. You're gonna make sure you hear a tap. Don't do this. And actually feel the tap, do it with purpose, okay? So let's go. 20 seconds now. That was good, that was good, that was good. Okay, so this is how it's gonna go, right? I'm gonna tell you the exercise I'm gonna do, then I'm gonna tell you how to do them and actually perform them to the maximum, okay? So let's go with the first exercise, all right? We're gonna start off with doing push-ups, okay? And that's gonna be working your chest and triceps. So follow along with me. We're gonna be doing 40 seconds on and 20 seconds rest. Hey, I know you got this, all right? I know you got this, okay? Come on. Timer for 40 seconds. 40 seconds, start now. Come on, slow and control. Make sure your chest touch the ground. Slow it down, fast up, okay? Don't worry about the reps. Just make sure you can do it with the right form. Come on, you got this, come on. 5 seconds left. Ooh, that was good. Now we're gonna rest as soon as we're done. Set a timer for 20 seconds. That's how long you're gonna rest, okay? 20 seconds, we're resting for 20 seconds. And after the 20 seconds, we're gonna go to doing pike push-ups, all right? Rest really quick. Make sure you're also hydrated, okay? If you're not hydrated, you're gonna be cramping up. If you're cramping up, your exercise, your workout is gonna be messed up. So make sure you're always drinking water. Don't be like me, no water. Come on, we're gonna go into doing pike push-ups. So with pike push-ups, it's like a regular push-up, but instead it's work your shoulder, okay? Your shoulders and triceps. So just go down like that and pull back. Make sure you're not doing this or this. No, you're putting all your weight onto your hands. You're putting all your weight onto your shoulders and you just push them up. Your hands, shoulders, like just push them up, just, rocking motion. Feel your heels come up. Feel you like your tippy toes. Just go on your tippy toes, like just down, like that. Like just feel your tippy toes come up. That's how you're doing it right. When your tippy toes are up like that, and you shift all the way to your shoulders, okay? That's how we're gonna be doing it, all right? So we're gonna do that for 40 seconds on. After that, we're gonna rest for 20 seconds again. Come on, let's do this. 40 seconds, all right? Come on. 40 seconds, start now. Come on. Shift all your way onto your shoulders. Then push up, explode up. Slow down. Push up. Good job. Come on, keep it up. Don't worry about the reps, just do it with the right form. I still got one more in me, actually. There we go. Whew, now we're gonna rest for 20 seconds. Come on, 20 seconds. Whew, it's the real burner right here. All right, keep breathing. When you're doing this, when you push out, breathe, okay? Don't hold your breath in. When you hold your breath in, it's not gonna be good, because when you're holding your breath in, bro, when you hold your breath in, you're gonna be able to do less reps, okay? Don't think when you hold your breath in, you're gonna get the last few reps. It's just gonna be harder for you. Now we're gonna go to doing squats. Air squats for 40 seconds. Come on, start. Slow and control. Below the knees. Come on, you got this. 5 seconds left. Now we're gonna rest for 20 seconds, and now I'm going on 20 seconds. Come on, 10 seconds left. After that, we're gonna start doing jump squats this time, okay? This is really intense, so make sure you take your time with this and don't really think about the reps. Just focus on your form, perfect it. Come on, let's do this. 40 seconds jump squats, you got this. Go. When you land, spread your legs. I already got my heart pumping right there. Now I gotta rest for 20 seconds. Come on, 20 seconds rest. After that, I'm gonna start to doing body weight rows, okay? But instead, with body weight rows, we're gonna be using a bag, and I'll tell you in a second. Literally a second. Okay, so now, like I said, we're gonna be using a book bag, the one you just saw right here. You wanna fill this book bag up with books. This is gonna be your dumbbell. I know I said no equipment, but it's still no equipment. You have a book bag at home somewhere. It's not a book bag, you got a duffel bag, something like a bag. And you can fill it up with books, cans, or you can just get a trash bag and fill the trash bag up with water, and then put the trash bag in, with the water inside the book bag, and zip it up, then use that to lift and roll, okay? So do that real quick. I'm just gonna zip this up, take the book bag, then you do this, right? Make sure it's enough weight. If it's too heavy, take some books out. If it's too light, add some more books. This is good for me. So you're just gonna make this tighter if the strings are too long. Hold it like that. Then you're just gonna roll. We're gonna do this for 40 seconds again, okay? Come on. 40 seconds starts now. Come on, roll. Really feel your back contract. Slow and control. Squeeze at the top. Imagine you're trying to get your elbows to touch your hips. Pull it back. I almost want to scream. Ooh, you feel that right there? Yeah, that's it right there. Right there. Quiet alarm. Now you want to switch to the other arm. Let's do that for 40 seconds again. No rest this time. 40 seconds. Come on. Go. Make sure you extend your hands at the end. Now after that, you want to rest for 20 seconds. Timer set for 20 seconds. All right, so 20 seconds is up now. After we're done with that, put the bag up somewhere. You can take the bugs out. After the exercise is over, we're gonna do 40-second plank hold, okay? Now, when you're doing planks, a lot of people do planks wrong, and I'm gonna help you do that. When you're doing planks, people tend to do this. Or this. Or just awful, right? I'm gonna tell you actually do this, okay? So you wanna go on the floor, right? Then you just pin your legs up. Instead of just like your head being down here looking down, keep it up. Then you push off, contract your back, like it's like this. Push off. Then you sink your butt in. Really feel that your abs squeeze, okay? Like that. Then you just lock out your arms and hold like that. Squeeze your butt. Feel it really, everything, your abs and glutes squeezing. Okay, feel it. That's how you actually do, okay? You'll get a more concentration on your core, not just a flabby. Like you never want your abs to look like this. You want it to be like this, squeezing in the position, all right? So we're gonna do this for 40 seconds, okay? Get your timer ready. Come on. Your timer ready. 40 seconds, all right? Come on, man. Oh, I'm sweating. Let's do this for 40 seconds. Start now. Remember, here, heads up. Contract your back. Feel that squeeze. Breathe, okay? It's okay. 25 seconds left. Breathe. Keep your core engaged. Squeeze that glute. Squeeze that abs. Squeeze it all. Squeeze all that, bro. Squeeze it all. Oh yeah, come on. 5 seconds left. Come on. Ooh. 1 second. Go get your water and drink some water, okay? Take a 30-minute rest break. Take a 30-second rest break. I've been saying drink water this whole time. You have not been drinking water. Don't lie. So go ahead, drink water, rest for a minute. You deserve it, okay? But this is the first set. You're gonna have to do 3 more sets, 3 more rounds of everything we just did now to really see the full benefit, okay? And make sure you're doing this at least 2 times a week, okay? To really see the full benefit, at least twice a week. If you do this once, that's not enough, okay? Your body needs repetition, so do this at least twice a week. Wait. 4 sets, okay? We just did the first one. You need to do 3 on your own now, okay? And if you're actually gonna attempt this for another 3 rounds, comment down, I'm in, okay? And I'll reply to every comment of everyone that said that they're in, okay? If you really wanna challenge yourself. And if you're really dedicated to transforming yourself, I'm coaching a few guys for the next 30 days completely for free. Free of no charge. No gym needed, no guesswork, just straight results. Click that link in my description that says I'll get you jacked. After that, I'll be personally helping you get jacked from home. If you didn't just watch this whole video and actually drop down and did this workout with me as you were watching, and I'm also gonna do the next 3 rounds, the next 3 sets to complete the 4 sets. Again, drop a comment saying I'm in, and I reply to all of those single comments, okay? Me personally, okay? So press that like button, subscribe, press that post notification if you want more updates on videos exactly like this one, because this is a weekly video, okay? Stay consistent, okay? And let's build. I'll see you in the next one. It's Saint, and I'm out, bro. Come on, get this thing on. Whoa, slow down, bro. The video is not going nowhere, right? This is just a little quick ad break, all right? If you need a custom workout and meal plan with the real accountability, I've trained men from age 18 to 25-year-old get jacked. And I'm able to help them get jacked through online fitness coaching, all right? If you want to go ahead and check it out, you can click that link in my description. It will be something that says, I'll help you get jacked. And it's just a Google form. Just fill out that form and my team will get to you. But yeah, see? The video ain't going nowhere. Right? Now I'm finna go back.